Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss some one marker questions and their answer which are there in the format of your university examination from the applied aspects of plant science. So first question is define drone. So drone is nothing but a unmanned aerial vehicle which is actually remotely controlled and can be used for a variety of applications, especially for agricultural monitoring. So the drones can be used for spraying the pesticides or collecting the data from various geographical locations in the agricultural fields. Also it can monitor the disasters, natural disasters and loss of the crop and many other things, and can be used in the agricultural sector successfully. Next question is, what is a fixed wing drone? So there are number of types of the drones, and according to their types, their applications is based. So fixed wing drone, obviously it is a non-moving wings structure which relies on the aerodynamic lift to stay in the air, and these drones are used in the agriculture for large scale crop monitoring, land mapping, etc. What is multi-rotor drone? It is again one of the type of drone, multi-rotor drones, where multiple rotors are used in this structure of drone, which is capable of hovering in place, and these drones are commonly used for short range applications such as crop inspection, monitoring and applying treatments. Define applied botany. So applied botany is the branch of botany in which the knowledge about the plants for practical purposes, including agriculture, horticulture, forestry and environmental management, is used. What is sericulture? Sericulture is a practice of cultivating silkworms to produce silk. It involves the breeding of silkworms, also the harvesting and their silk producing cocoons. Define proteomics. Proteomics is the term which is related to the proteins. So proteomics is a large scale study of proteins, particularly their functions, structures and their interactions. So it is very important, it is a very important field in molecular biology, biotechnology, and also helping scientists understand biological processes at protein level. What is phytoremediation? You can break this term into two parts: phyto and remedy. So phyto means plants, remedy means to use or to cure. uh, Phytoremediation is a term where the plants are used to remove, degrade or neutralize environmental pollutants like heavy metals, pesticides, solvents from soil, water and air. Define gene. A gene is a segment of DNA that carries the instructions for making proteins, which are essential for the structure and function of living organisms. So genes are nothing but the these are responsible for the inheritance and are inherited from parents and determined traits. What is the long form of IPM, or what is IPM? So IPM stands for Integrated Pest Management. So it is actually an ecological approach to control the pest populations by using the combination of methods including biological, cultural, physical and chemical controls to minimize the harm to the environment and non-target organisms. Define organic farming. So organic farming is an agricultural methods that avoids the use of synthetic chemicals, fertilizers or genetically modified organisms, and instead emphasizes natural methods such as crop rotation, composting, biological pest control, etc. What is plant microbe interaction? So plant microbe interaction refers to the relationship between plants and microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, viruses, which live in or on the plant tissues, and their interaction can be very much beneficial, neutral, or harmful to the plant. Define mutualism. Mutualism is a type of symbiotic relationship between two different organisms where both parties benefit from the interaction. For example, the relationship between bees and flowers is a mutualistic because bees get nectar and flowers get pollinated. So, give the list of organic farming principles. There are four important organic farming principles: principle of health, principle of ecology, principle of fairness, and principle of care. What is urban agriculture? Urban agriculture refers to the practice of growing food within city environments. It includes activities such as community gardening, rooftop farming, and vertical farming, and aims to enhance food security and sustainability in urban areas.